is a bit deep.
No, it's fine.
And I operate like a spiritual scientist. Now watch. Heaven is a door frame away from us. Depends on the body transport mode we use or body to go there. Don't tell us something now. A glorified body is faster, watch, than the light. What is more faster than the light? Nothing. But did you know that the body that Jesus had after his resurrection was faster than the light? That is why it was able to penetrate. Can the light penetrate the wall? No, it cannot. Does the light have ability to penetrate the wall? No, it doesn't. It stopped where the wall is. But the body of Jesus Christ was able to walk through the wall. So which one is faster than which? Is it the light or that body?
Come
Come on.
It's that boat.
Come on, it's that body. You see, you see, they don't want this book because this book revealed. You remember they burned the Bibles back in the days. Bashitsama Bible. What do you think? No, this is not the white man's book. Because this thing, let me tell you about the Bible. The Bible don't only inform you. The Bible inform and transform you. And not to be a stupid, like they say stupid, Christians are stupid. No, not to say that kids just you understand the point now. No, I've met such Christian. Do you understand the point now?
Yeah, nakamameli.
Some will come to me, you didn't want to listen to me. Because the it's dog eating dog outside in the world. We have opportunities. They want to, like, eat in the tub. And the hyena don't wait for you to die. He will to heal. That's how evil hyena is. There are people outside there when the character are in. Some of them, when they come back to me, I said, but I told you, sit down and feel yourself. This way, can I carry on? Are you still with me? Is it with me? That's it. Now watch. It says here now, the glorified body is faster than the light. I make an example that the light after here, you cannot see, the light cannot see what's detecting. But the body that you're going to have after that, it can penetrate the pumelenga because of why? It's faster. Brother, we're waiting for that body. The day you get in Bible when the temple of the Lord shall sound and the dead will be resurrected from the grave. The body that we're going to have when we resurrect, it's the body that Jesus had when he resurrected. The one behind me, it will go through a wall and it won't be a hole. That is the body that Adam had before the fall. Adam had that body. Adam could sing, it will be there. Adam could sing faster than the light. So Adam, after his fall, he realized, I've lost something. When you eat of the tree, you shall die. Okay, can I carry on a little bit? Now, the glorified body is faster than the light. Light is the fastest transportation mode, but your new body is faster than the light. Listen now. That is why, I love this. Heaven is outside the universe. Now watch. When using a physical transport, but when using a glorified body, it's a doorstep away.
Because of the fastness.
Mode, transportation mode. Because of the fastest. With your physical body, heaven is far. But once your body has been changed and transformed, it's just a doorstep away from it. What transportation are you using? It's the same transportation that Adam lost in the Garden of Eden. To try. Bible school, you know what? I'm going to say something with respect. Nah? I've met guys that I know, and it's a painful thing. We have one guy they never went to Bible school before. They were God-fearing, they were spiritual. Some of them, when they went to Bible school, they were, I'm telling you the truth, they were the most foolish ministers that I've ever met. They were most carnal. And Africans say, never see don't stop to conmute. No one was spiritual. I am in Bible school because we are intellect. Yes, guys are man. He is intellectual and he thinks it's faith. Now he Bible each and every scripture, every verse. I said, no. I spoke with them, one thing I'm telling you, when you did not go to the Bible school, you were wise, but now they made you to be a fool and you fell for the trap. I'm telling you, you're not going to do that with Japan. I know my game. I know how to play my game. I'm telling you, let me tell you, Banini, they become walking graves. We are born on Fundistone. We have a degree we have school, next. Just he's eloquent, but he's dead. Brother. Spirit, religious instead of being spiritual, they become religious. Bible school. I've gone to the Bible school, I've got my degree. I won't speak ill of that, but I'll speak the truth as brutal as it is, as naked as it is. Bible schools has killed more ministers than bringing up. Bible school, they kill the real thing and they put the religious thing in. That's what they've done. When you go to the Bible school and you're still spiritual, it's the grace of God. There are people who went there who are spiritual, but you can count them on their fingers. And they were not spiritual. They will tell the world, "Who do you think I'm Catholic?" That's why they told people about Jesus. I'm Catholic.
Now, Bashonja.
Oh, namanje basosho njalo. And the real culprits, yibo lapho. Do you understand what I'm saying? No, namanje, that's why I'm so wonderful. You understand? And I mean, I love everybody. Do you understand what I'm? But I know my position. So in the they were saying Jesus is a culprit while they been the one exercising culpritist. You understand? Okay, let me carry on by this. Shalom, Sanbonani, how are you? God bless you, 100. This is Jabbar. My numbers are 07325193111. And my YouTube is General Eagle Jabbar. I repeat, General Eagle Jabbar. You write General, you make a space, you write Eagle, you make a space, you write Jabbar. Jabbar is J-A-B-A-R. My TikTok is the same. You write at General Eagle Jabbar with small letters. My numbers are, my cell phone numbers in WhatsApp, 07325193111. And my Spotify is General Eagle Jabbar